Hi, my beautiful friends of love and light. Welcome to Healing Souls. Dear friends, in this video, you're going to get the healing for the upcoming 7 to 10 days. You're going to read the energies that are going to be there for a period of upcoming 7 to 10 days via cards, and we are going to do a healing also. As I tune into your energy, dear friends, I am going to sense the overall energy of the week, and I will let you know what is coming for everyone. I have burnt the cloves with the rock salt over here. Please give your intentions for the upcoming week. First of all, I want that for all of my friends on Healing Souls. May all of the malicious eyes, negative energies from any person, place or situations, curses, hexes be released from my friend who has clicked on this video for themselves, their family, their loved ones, their home, their work areas. Also give your intentions, dear friends. What do you want to manifest for yourself in this upcoming week? First thing that I'm sensing right as I have, connected with the energy, the first sensation that I'm getting is that I don't feel like talking. I don't know. I will sense it more in the healing and the reading. What is this energy? I don't even feel like talking. I just feel as if I want to keep quiet. So most probably in the upcoming week, there is some reason for which you do not feel like talking. Either it is that you want to stay in your own calm and peace, your meditative mode, or that there is a situation where you feel that you just want to not give your opinions and stay in your own calm and peace. Even the volume that I am speaking is very slow. However, I am going to put this on full volume for YouTube, but somehow, just as I tuned with the energies of you guys, my volume is like I am pushing myself to speak. I don't feel like speaking. I have been given the solar plexus chakra incense, that is our power center over here. It could be possible that you are feeling extremely poised in your energy, and there is some kind of a power that is emerging from inside of you, where if in past your throat chakra was overactive and you felt the need to express yourself more and more, in this week it is possible that you are so poised in your energy, you are so grounded in your solar plexus chakra, because I've been given the crystal of serpentine also. This is the yellow and the earthy, which is grounding our solar plexus chakra's energy, which is grounding our self-belief, self-confidence, courage. So it could be possible. I am sensing a mixed kind of energy. Somewhere there is some kind of, I can't say, I don't want to say that there is some kind of sadness, because I am not clear as such up till now. What is this energy like? What I'm sensing is, first thing, I am sensing groundedness and peacefulness. That is one thing. I am just not sensing that there is no need to speak. What I feel that it could be possible that in the upcoming week, you want to sit in your meditation, or you want a lot of me time. You want to, be in your isolative mode, or something is there that you don't feel the need to express yourself a lot. Maybe your energy is more expressive. So we have the solar plexus chakra, incense, and we have the stone which is grounding your solar plexus chakra, which tells me This could be coming from the 6-6 portal. That was the portal of success. All of the month of June, we were grounding you in your success. That was your solar plexus chakra. Plus, from the solstice energy of the sun, there is something that has emerged within you which is extremely wise, which is extremely grounded, which extremely makes you a very poised person. A poised person is one who has so much self-belief, so much self-assurance about themselves that they do not feel the need to talk anywhere or prove to anybody their worth, or they are never looking for appreciations or validations from the outside world. They know very well who they are. Neither are they proud of themselves, nor are they suffering from any kind of insecurities. They're just grounded in their energies. They are there for anybody who needs them. They listen. They have a very good ability to listen. And they only provide their guidance. They only provide their precious words when they are needed. So what I'm sensing now, I'm just getting this sense. I don't think there is sadness as such. I believe that, this is a new energy that you will also sense in the upcoming week. I happen to discover it now. And this is the energy of extreme confidence, courage, which is extremely poised. And I am just loving this energy. In fact, to tell you the truth, before coming for this reading, I didn't feel the need to put the lipper. I was just, I just felt that, I can click the video and howsoever I'm sitting, I can just, come in front of my friends. Why do I need to put a lipper? Why do I need to, comb my hair also? The energy was like, I am myself, I am my authentic self. I just want to be like this, the way I am. However, I did pick a, pastel, like, a natural color of lipper, and I did put before coming. But I was sensing that, I don't need, my people should just know me just the way I am. And that is the confidence, that is the energy, that is the preciousness, I believe, of the upcoming week. I'm starting to fall in love with this energy. Let us see, dear friends, what is going to come in the upcoming week for all of my friends. All right, this is something extremely new. I believe from the time I have started reading for my friends, this is extremely new energy that I'm sensing. And let's see, you guys have to tell me during the week, what did you sense? This is the green jade crystal for the heart chakra also. I believe your solar plexus is strengthening, and there is some strength that it is providing to your heart chakra also. So there is no swaying of emotions. What I'm sensing extremely is that now you guys are so much grounded in your energies that you're not looking for, this is again and again I'm saying that, as if you don't even need any success, you don't need anything in your life. It is some kind of such energy that, extreme satisfaction that builds up to nothingness, that, I require nothing in my life. I am just okay the way I am. It's that kind of energy. For my friends, I haven't sensed this kind of energy that, Okay, before I start the readings, dear friends, I want to congratulate Srinam Nitin Arora, who is the winner of this month of June's contest. And the contest was that, we are going to pick one video which will have the maximum comments on it, and randomly YouTube is going to pick one winner, and her name has been selected as the winner. And so Srinam, if you're listening to this reading, you have to contact me in my Facebook, Healing Souls Facebook message box. There you can put your 2 personal questions along with your date of birth and name, and you can give the topic of the healing that you want and what are the answers, what questions, your concerns, 2 concerns for which I am going to answer you. I will send you a video link personal to yourself, And thank you very much, all of my friends of love and light, for commenting on the videos. We may continue the same pattern for the month of July also, or any other suggestions that my friends want to give, they can give. However, I want to say over here that I don't want my friends to be stressed about commenting. I just believe that it is okay that if you don't even want to comment. I want my friends to get the guidance, get the healing. It really doesn't matter now to me. However, if you comment, if you do comment, it comes to my understanding that you have, you're gaining something from the healing, or the reading resonated to you. That can be something that gives me a boost. But if somehow, because in this week I am sensing that you don't want to speak, so if in this week or coming month July you don't feel like expressing yourself, do not push yourself for anything, and it is okay. Might be we don't even keep any contest for the month of July. I want to tell all of my friends over here, there is no need to comment forcefully. I just love you all, and I just from with all my heart and soul, my only desire is that all of the readings reach you at the right timings, all of the healings reach you at the right timings. So I send all of my love to all of my friends present here on Healing Souls, and whosoever are not here also but are connected, and your family members. I send a lot of love and blessings and healings to everybody. Okay, now let me begin the reading, dear friends. The crystals are all kept here, and the healing is going to you. This is an infused water with a lot many incense. I did spray it on you guys. Okay, let's see, dear friends, what the cards are saying about the energies of the upcoming week. And upcoming week, if you happen to see it when I am making this reading, we are in the last week of June, and if you happen to see it anytime after this time frame, this reading will be applicable for your upcoming 7 to 10 days. That is, whenever you happen to see, this reading is timeless. So, dear friends, dearest God, Universe, Holy Spirits, Guardian Angels, Master Angels, Ascended Masters, Deities of the Universe, give your divine energies into these cards. Help me find cards and guidance messages for all of my friends present here on Healing Souls. What is the main energy vibration of the upcoming week for all of my friends who are sitting here for guidance? Again, I'm sensing, I am getting burps, which is telling me that the solar plexus and heart chakra energy is releasing for everybody. This is going to be a week when you're going to gain your confidence, courage. You're going to ground your solar plexus chakra's energy, and there is going to be release of ego. Immense love is going to emerge in this week. A lot many cards, dear friends. Let me just so many. Let's see, there could be a story that they want to tell. There is the card of Six of Pentacles on the base. So I believe either you are looking for some kind of divine gift coming from the universe. Either you are at present in very balanced energies. Your health is good. You are quite generous in give and take. There's some kind of a balance that is coming in your health, your finances, your life already, or might be you're seeking some kind of a balance. The card that is open over here, rest of all are like this, is that of the Page of Wands. So the upcoming week's energy, if I study it as the Page of Wands, is a new energy. It's a new energy of a lot of adventure. It's a new energy of passions. It's a new energy of your inner child healing. It could be centered, this week could be centered around a good news also. There could be some connection for a news with regard to your child, a younger person, can be a younger lover also, a brother or a child, um, or there could be a good news with regard to travel, movement. This could be a week of some kind of travel or adventure. Let's see what it is, all this news or this new energy which I'm sensing. However, what I'm sensing is something, that, I am extremely wise at this time. And let us see what is this all about. We have a lot many cards, dear friends. Let me pick it like this. Card number 1 is the Temperance. This is the energy I'm sensing, dear friends. So in this week, most probably all of these energies you're going to sense, and I believe the energies are coming for a healing of your inner child. So this could be a good week to keep taking the inner child healing playlist as well. They are telling me I have created a healing playlist for yourself and your family. I am going to attach it in the comments of this video. You can take that healing playlist also. So the Temperance card, in this week, there is an energy of divine connections. There is an energy of balance. That's what I was saying, that there is balance. There is, a lot of angelic energy. There is a lot of energy of support that is coming towards you from the universe. Love, peace, harmony, satisfaction and content, going with the flow. That is a kind of energy. Then what else is the energy of this week? There is some kind of a documentation work. As in, I was saying that there is a good news that is coming towards you. This can be with regard travel, with regard to a younger person. Some kind of a paperwork is going to be done, test, exam results, or anything, a job a result, something like that. Then we have the Chariot. With the Temperance, I can say that, if you're fighting a court case, there could be a need of mediation. With mediation, you will be able to, get whatever this sorting out of this court case needs some kind of mediation. We have the Chariot card again. So this is with regard to travel, this news for somebody, movement to another city, state or a country, or might be a vehicle, a purchase of a vehicle, or might be, giving a car driving test. Driving test or a purchase of a car or a vehicle, or passport documents regarding passport, visas, something like that. Yes, we have the Two of Wands. Travel, movement, partnerships, that all is the energy. A lot of energy cards have fallen here, but all of them seem to be positive. And we have the Seven of Pentacles, which is the change. So this is a change energy. Exactly, I am telling you what the energies is about. All of these energies, dear friends, soak in the energies of all of the beautiful cards. As what I was saying, that's the energy of balance. It's the energy of, going on, persevering what you're doing. There's a lot of confidence, courage. There is no need. I don't feel that, you guys don't even feel any need of success or growth now. You just believe that you are at a perfect place. You just need nothing, and the universal energies are there. There is calm, there is peace, and everything comes to you when you need nothing. That's the beauty of this week. So grounded, so much healed, so much happy. But all of it is extremely poised. There is nothing out of balance. Everything is in balance, everything is poised, everything is grounded, everything is peace, harmony. As the last healing which I made with the full moon energy, wherein I told you that you're going to be grounded in your success, and exactly that's the energy I'm sensing. That the change is here, and I did say that a lot of changes are going to happen in your life. New energy is going to enter. A lot many things are going to happen in your life, but you are going to be extremely grounded. You're not going to be shaken. Exactly. Oh my world, this is the energy coming from the full moon healing. That you are just where you are. There might be things happening around you, the competition, the challenges, the chaos and the change and everything, but you are just who you are, and I love your peace and your poised poised kind of energy. Let's see what else they want to say. Loving this energy, dear friends. It is very different for me also. Extremely different for me. And we have the bread card over here, which says period of prosperity and abundance. And this is also coming from the healing that I had made of richness and luxury. And what I believe now is that the true richness and luxury is a feeling. Exactly. Like you just feel it from inside of you. You don't feel like going anywhere, doing anything. You just feel rich and luxurious. That's the poised energy that you know who you are, and you're just so satisfied with your life. We have the gavel card over here, which says involvement with the law. Exactly what I was saying, that there is a court case win, but what they're asking for is mediation. You have to be diplomatic. You have to take the middle route to solve this court case. So involvement with the law, like paperwork is going to be done, even if it is for the purchase of a car, a vehicle, or a house. We have a broom card over here, which says new home, new attitude. Some of you are manifesting new vehicles. Some of you are manifesting new homes. Some of you are manifesting travel to movement to another city, state, or a country, a PR approval, visa approval, travel, citizenship. There is paperwork that is being done. So this is all new attitude, and this attitude is very grounded. This attitude makes you feel that you are where you need to be. You have attained your successes, but there is no pride, there is nothing, there is just the feeling of nothingness, and that is beautiful, because when we get to the feeling of nothingness, wherein we don't want anything, we are so contented, we're so happy from our life, and you don't even feel like we don't want to talk to anybody. We're just so contented, and we're just grateful and thankful. That's what I feel. It's beautiful. Congratulations, dear friends. Congratulations. Love it, love it, love it. I don't even feel like telling you guys that affirm down below something. I just feel that do what you want to do. There is no need to say anything. If you don't feel like you feel all is good, you don't want to comment, it is okay. We have leadership. Exactly. Leadership, number 81. This is what is heading in your life. And we have number 55, adventure. The opportunities of leadership and adventure. And this leadership or opportunities, the healing of your solar plexus chakra, dear friends, over here. You are a leader and you know it. You're leading your life on your terms and conditions now. So there is a leadership opportunity heading for you or your loved one. Anybody, can be your child or somebody who is very happy-go-lucky kind of a person, most probably a bit immaturer than you. And we have opportunities of adventure also heading into your life. Yes, so a good news, which is going to make you the leader of your life. Beautiful. Even if it is, you just feel like a leader. You are there. You are so confident in your energy. You're so grounded. I just love it, dear friends. There is an extreme energy change from the past 2-3 months. The healings with the universe help us make, and how they shifted us from portal to portal, from different dimensions, from 3D to 5D and above. It is unbelievable where all of my friends are standing today. These energies are beautiful energies, dear friends. All right, let's see what is going to be your personality. So, extremely good energies of the upcoming week. Let's see your personality. I have one word for your personality. Definitely, it's poised. Let's see. What is the personality of my friend in the upcoming week? I see number 2424. You could Google angel number 2424 and see what it says for you. Angel number 2424. That is repeating. some kind of structural balance and stability I'm sensing again. A lot of balance and stability that is coming in your life. What is the personality of my friend who is seeing this? Yes, you did not give up. You did not give up. You stood for your challenges. You stood for your competitors. You're above your competitors already. We have the energy of the magician. Wow. And this is your energy. Exactly. The magician is the most confident person, most poised. How, the magician is doing his tricks, making a fool of other people around, yet, you would see that a magician never laughs or never, does anything. He does his magic like, so distinctly that I am magical. I am just, everything is possible for me. This is your energy. Extremely high vibrational energy connected with the universal energy. We have the infinite symbol over here. Infinitely grounded in your magical abilities. You have it all inside of you, dear friends. You are a magician. You are supreme. You are a magnet to all positivities. You are the leader. You're the lover. You're the you're the most magnetic. You're the most attractive. You're the most, what do I say, magnificent soul. And you know it all. Beautiful. Loved your energies. This is coming from the full moon and the solstice. Healing, dear friends. Yes, we have celebration, fun and enjoyment. That is your energy. You're going to, wherever you go, you bring celebration, fun and enjoyment. And we have climbing ladder to success. This is your personality, the leader. Who climbs the ladder to success? Somebody who is the magician, somebody who believes that he can, somebody who is the leader. Congratulations, my dear beautiful friends of love and light. Ending the month of June, moving into the month of July, you have the opportunities. You're the leader, you're the magician, you're the everything. Your solar plexus chakra, grounded, whole and heal. Love it for you, dear friends. Absolutely love it. Let's move forward, dear friends. Let's see what's there in your environment. Absolutely love it. Just saw number 2828. And that is 10. 28 is 10. 10, 10. A destiny shift. Absolutely. So you might be seeing repeat numbers in the upcoming week. I did see 24, 24, 28, 28. What is there in the environment for all of my friends who are looking at this video? Dear friends, I don't know why I feel like telling you guys again and again, please don't stress for commenting. I believe that, in past 2 months, I have been saying this again and again that, comment down below, dear friends, how you feel, what you feel. But I feel it can cause some kind of a stress to my friends also. And these contests that I'm doing can be causing us some kind of a stress of competition to comment a lot. I don't want my friends to have an overactive throat chakra. Comment when you feel like commenting. Do not comment when you don't feel like commenting. We are all connected telepathically, dear friends. Even if you guys don't talk, I do understand. I love you. My love keeps flowing to you guys unendingly. It really doesn't matter, or maybe I have become more poised in my energy. It really doesn't matter even if there is no comment, no likes, but if there are views, I do understand that my people are watching. So just by the views, I am going to be satisfied. I just want the video to reach my people who are looking for this guidance. So what is there in your environment are clear communications, aha moments, truth being revealed. We have beautiful energies in your environment, dear friends. We have massive healing happening with the Four of Rods, the Star card, and the Strength card. There is a massive healing that has occurred, that is going to occur in your environment. For some of you, there are opportunities of holidays, exactly what I was saying. There are opportunities of your me time where you are healing. There is a lot of hope. There is a lot of, inspiration. With the Strength card, whom I believe is Goddess Durga, there is a connection with Goddess Durga. Some of you would be maybe are praying to Goddess Durga, connecting with Goddess Durga. Some of you might be wishing to travel the temples of Goddess Durga, take their blessings. With the Star card, in your environment, there are opportunities of wish fulfillment. And with the Four of Swords card, the energy is that of rest and rejuvenation. There is a period of relaxation, there is a period of rest and rejuvenation, there is a period of healing, there is a period of, a lot of wish fulfillment. And in your environment, if there was a person who was unwell, might be they were admitted in hospitals, or might be they were going through some kind of a mental, physical, emotional stress, there is going to be a wish fulfillment. They are going to heal. There's going to be a massive healing either coming on you or somebody. So this is a beautiful period of beautiful energies, and that is what I was sensing already. So in your environment is also extremely conducive, dear friends. There was somebody who was working against you behind your back, and that energy is going to end in this week. And this was happening in the month of May. There was some kind of an energy that was holding your successes or holding something from you. It can be your own insecurities, your fear-based energies, or it can be a malicious eye, an evil eye of a person or somebody, a certain situation that was extremely negative. That situation is going to heal. There is going to be a wish fulfillment. There is going to be hope, inspiration. There is going to be a kind of strength, inner strength that is going to build. So if there was a fear-based energy where you always felt that someone is working against you behind your back, that energy is going to end. We have a secret admirer in your environment. There is a secret admirer, and we have dealing or relationship with the man. So in your environment, there is dealing or relationship with the man. This man becomes evident. Now you know who better. Can be your partner, can be your lover, can be your child, your sibling, anybody you are working with, can be a secret admirer of yours also. Might be they admire you, might be you admire them. And for somebody, there could be with the month of May, a Taurian person could be evident. And maybe in this person's life, I did talk about the main energy centered around a younger person, I did feel, but maybe there was an energy that was working against your relationship. There was something that was wrong. There was a problem for might be this person, or in your relationship there was something wrong. There was a discord most probably within friends or family members, or some kind of a negative energy that was harming you or this person around you. And there is going to be a massive healing on this particular situation that was extremely difficult. For some of you, there was a situation where you were in no contact with somebody. Somebody was going through a period of healing, or there was a situation where there was no contact, there was no talk. That situation is going to heal. That I was saying that, I don't feel like talking, something like that. There is a healing coming on a situation that was a no contact situation. Okay? All right, let's see what else is there. Um, okay, let's see what the chakra cards want to talk to us. So, which chakra wants to talk to us in the upcoming week? Extremely beautiful energies of the upcoming week, dear friends. It's like, I mean, there is no excessive talking, like you will talk when you wish to talk. We have heart chakra healing with growth. I was telling you guys that as your solar plexus chakra heals, your heart chakra is also getting a different kind of energy. There's a lot of growth that you are sensing, wisdom, knowledge, insight in your heart chakra. We have the acceptance energy in your root chakra. This is the grounding energy. Now you have started accepting the things just as they are. Going with the flow of things, accepting first of all yourself just as you are. The thing that, I said that when I was about to start this reading, I didn't feel like, putting up a lipper also. I just, I was falling in love with myself just the way I am, and I was like, it's okay. I didn't just come in front of my friends. I don't need to, put a lipper also. And that is the grounded energy of acceptance. Here is a cake, full cake, and a piece of a pie is missing out of that. But this woman is creating no fuss. She is accepting this whole piece just as if, the design of the piece is such. Even if one 1/4 part of it is taken away, she is okay with it. And that is the mediation part. In the court cases or any, kind of the diplomatic route, or, it is okay for my peace, it is okay, I compromise. So beautiful energies in your root chakra, dear friends. That is where our grounding is coming from. Absolutely loved it. Last but not the least, I'm going to pull one card from here. And this might be the guidance for the week. Let's see. Everything is a guidance, but let's see what else they want to say. I'm going to read the energy of this card, dear friends. Whatever it is going to be is going to be the overall energy of the week. What a shift of energies, dear friends. What a shift of energies. We have work. So something in your work area or the work area, we have freedom. Freedom to work. Most probably freedom to work, do your work according to your wish and will. Or freedom to work in the areas that are your passions. Let me read number 34, work for my friends. For you or your loved ones, there could be a work opportunity coming for somebody, a work growth happening. Let's see. Of course, for me, it is going to be a very workaholic kind of a week because I have to make predictions for July also in the upcoming week. I am wishing that universe gives me some kind of support. Let's see. Where is it? Okay. So, dear friends, work. Hard work, extra efforts bring home the bacon. Satisfying pats on the back, positive changes. Yes, so growth in your work area, either for you or your loved ones. But work is, even if you are not working as like commercial, you're not working in any company or anything, whichever area of your life you were putting your hard work in, there you will see your blessings. General, patience is needed regarding current setbacks. You have some hard work to do, but you will achieve something shortly that you never thought was possible. Beautiful. Yes, I do understand. For me also, this week is going to be hardworking because, every time, making the predictions for the upcoming whole month is a huge, big responsibility. And the last week of every month is, I feel that, I owe a lot of responsibilities to my people. But then they are saying that you're going to be rewarded for that. So pat yourself, dear friends. There's something good with regard to your work achievement success in the upcoming week. Avoid extravagance as there will be debts to be paid and you need to get on top of things. So yeah, for this week they are giving you the guidance that do not overindulge and avoid extravagance. Then we have conflicts to deal with will make you stronger. Exactly the energy of the full moon that there is change, there is competition, there are challenges, but the conflicts that you're going to deal with are going to make you more stronger. And exactly what I'm telling you, that mediation, the middle way, that balance, that harmony. Take what you can take and leave the rest. Make the most of what you are getting. That is the thing. Don't hold on to disappointments or feelings of resentment, as there is no time for this in the successful period that can be yours if you play your cards right. Exactly. I think that, you guys are at top of your games. You guys are winners. You will be intuitively guided. That's what is the poised energy that, you know how to play this game of life now. In your career and finances, dear friends, added responsibilities lightly and beware of unreliable people who could cause delays and problems. Keep plans close to your chest. So yeah, keep your secrets to yourself in the upcoming week, and any misunderstandings need to be dealt with soon as possible. Relationships. Beware of affairs around the workplace could get you in trouble. Yeah, we had the secret admirer. So already committed to somebody, be aware of, indulging out of your commitments in the work area, especially they are saying. Existing relationship will face struggles and around finances, but this will only be temporary. Soft confrontations settle differences. Beautiful energies, dear friends. I see that the energy are of social networking, business rewards, opportunities, and fame. That is beautiful. So something with regard to your work area is, I believe, a freedom to work your own way that is coming towards you. Let's see. Let's pull a few chits from here, dear friends. Let's see. Okay. Finally, for all of my friends, we have the position upgrade. Rightly, all of the reading was for leadership position. I buy 10-acre land for stray babies. So somebody had asked me to make a chit for this. They wanted to buy 10 acre of land for the stray babies like dogs, where they could feed their dogs, they could keep their dogs, the stray animals. But however, this 10-acre land you buy, I believe, is a message that somebody is going to invest in property or land in the upcoming week. Some kind of purchase of house, sale or purchase of home, property, land, something of the sort is happening for you. Child's huge success. That was from the beginning. I was saying that a good news with regard to your child could be coming. Even childbirth news could be there. Most desired wish come true, dear friend. Most desired wish come true. Congratulations. Lots of love and best wishes. Best of the best for my children. If you have one child, best of the best for your child. If you have more than one child, best of the best for your children. So this week is going to be extremely good. Some kind of a paperwork, something extremely good is going to happen for your child. Might be your child start to work or something like that, or in their work area there is success. There was a period of healing for somebody. I can say that there was a period of healing that was going between for you and your child, or somebody who's like childlike for you. For them, there could be opportunity or in studies, travel, work, something like that can be happening. And where we read child, 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 if you don't have a child, this is your inner child. So some kind of a good news healing is occurring for your inner child. My Kundalini energy is activated. Yes, dear friends, all of us have had our Kundalini energy activation. There's a healing also for Kundalini energy activation a lot, I mean, we have opened our Merkabas also. So this energy is going to, it's getting more grounded in your body now. That is beautiful. Thank you, Shiv Shakti. We have love, love, and more love. Exactly, growth happening in your heart chakra because of the poised energy in your solar plexus. Money from extra source is going to come to you in the upcoming week, or the opportunities of growth in your work. So beautiful energies, dear friends. Let me ground you in these energies. Absolutely love the reading for you. Wishing you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes. This time I would say do not stress about commenting, dear friends. I love you all just the way you are. Just keep taking the healings and enjoy your week, dear friends. Lots of love and best wishes.